Hello, in this part we create steppers and enhance some of the list functionalities which check boxes. Steppers can be horizontal or vertical, and we have created methods to create either. On the universal lists, we have added left and right checkboxes, ratings, created a list group with parent and child elements. On the code side, we use our addListView methods, passing it the options we defined before. We have a new addItemParentChild method for the list group. The parent-child relationships are built from a flat structure into a tree that we feed to the list. For the preference screen, we have an addItemRight checkbox method. For the tasks, it's addItemLeft checkbox method. On the steppers, we add a stepper and then add a child step with a card. We attempted to be close to the Vuetify examples as possible with this. It's providing a very nice flexibility to our approach. This tutorial covers the latest updated source code for all examples in working order. Enjoy!